So our cup is nice and dry now, and we are ready to put some vinyl on it. Now you can use whatever vinyl you want. I usually go for the cheapest contact paper that I can get, Walmart, dollar store, whatever. So in this case, it happens to be this kind of taupey brown stuff. I've put the lid on. This serves two purposes. If you have a screw top lid, it will actually line up where you want it to. And if you do not have a screw top lid, it helps you find the exact other side of the cup. And it's just good practice so that when you do have a screw top, you do not forget. So we'll take our piece of transfer tape, which I actually use contact paper for this too. Burnish it. And there you have it. It is ready for spray paint. So we're just going to spray paint the cup. You want to use light, even coats. Make sure that you have shook your can really, really well. I do like Rust-Oleum. It's been about half an hour, between half an hour and an hour since we spray painted. It is not dry. You still want to be gentle with it. It's kind of dry to the touch, but not really super dry. So I like to use little tweezers. Some people like to use an X-Acto knife. Don't try and scrape around the decal. If you do that, you're gonna scrape the paint. So we're gonna do over top and just pinch it and pull. Pinch. And pull. You do want to be close to the edge, just not on it. So there is the start of it. I'm going to be really gentle on the bottom so that you're not scraping it. You, of course, can do any color that you like, any combination of colors that you like, but I suggest doing a good contrast. So If you use a light base, do a dark overcoat. If you do a dark base, do a light overcoat. And that'll just give you a much better contrast. Okay, you are now ready. You can either, very carefully, you can add other decals, though it's better to put a coat of epoxy on first, just because if you have to pull anything off, it's less likely to wreck the paint. But you are now ready to epoxy.